We begin by opening our Logix Designer project. Within the controller organizer of the project, we need to locate the desired program parameters and local tags. Programs are contained within tasks, and tasks are located within the tasks folder. If we expand any program, we will see the parameters and local tags. If we want to create local tags and program parameters within the table, we simply double-click the parameters and local tags. For creating and editing in the table, we need to verify that the Edit Tags tab is selected. To create a new local tag or program parameter, we go to the bottom row of the table, and in the leftmost cell, enter a name for the parameter or local tag. Next, we need to select a usage for the parameter or local tag. This is what determines whether the new element will be a local tag or a program parameter. If the data will be used strictly within the logic of this program, we choose local tag. However, if the data must be accessed outside of this program, we will need to choose one of the parameter usages. If data will be brought into the program via the new parameter, then we would choose the input parameter usage. For example, we would choose the input parameter usage for a parameter that will receive input data from a limit switch wired to an input module. If data will be transferred out of the program via the new parameter, then we would choose the output parameter usage. For example, we would choose the output parameter usage for a parameter that will turn an indicator wired to an output module on and off. Finally, we need to select a data type for the new tag or parameter. For tags that will be assigned to bit-level ladder diagram instructions, we need to select the Boolean data type. This is because the two available values of a Boolean data type match the two possible states of a bit-level instruction. We may also create a new local tag or program parameter by right-clicking a program's parameters and local tags and selecting New Local Tag or New Parameter. Once the dialog appears, we name the tag, select a usage, select a data type, and click the Create button.